Hey y'all, it's Leland TV. Coming at you. Gonna do some frogging today and probably throw some wacky rig. And also brought the pike rod. But yeah, I'm out here on Mallett's Bay. It's a pretty good spot. But yeah, it's just a great day to be out. I did some carping yesterday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make my own video for it or just include some of the footage in here. But yeah, it was fun. You know, I had a good day, caught a good fish yesterday. But yeah, gonna see what I can pull out today. I ended up going over to Ace Hardware before coming here, and I had a coupon and I got some frogs. So yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. So I'm out here frogging in the lily pads, and I think this is where you want to be. I've never caught a bass on a frog before, so this is kind of new to me, but I'm trying. Yeah, give me an idea. Okay, so I switched over to the wacky rig and I just got one using a black Senka. Yeah, I think it'll help with some of the darker water. All right, not a bad bass at all for the wacky rig out here. And yeah, just thrown into these docks. Pretty pleased about that. I'm gonna let this one go. Oop, there goes my rod into the water. So I just got a good bass. I don't know if I said my GoPro was repairing the file afterwards. I don't know what the heck that means, but yeah, it was right over here, right on this black 6-inch Senko here, and I got to fix it. It looks like it's a little messed up right now. Hold on. All right, look at this. In the paths. Fishing a frog. See if we're getting anything. It's kind of cool just being out here. I'm told there's pike in here. But it looks like there'd be bass too. Right, so yeah, I'm just out here throwing some wacky rig. I've had some luck earlier, and yeah. Take a look at the rig here. Okay, just flip that around. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what it looks like. That's about it.